You ever feel like you're being held back? Oh, that's because you are. The browser you're currently using is loaded with trackers, cookies, and other data collection parasites that are constantly following you site to site as you browse. These drain your battery, slow down your loading speeds, and they cost you extra money in data charges. That's right, you're paying extra and draining your battery just to slow yourself down with invasive ads and trackers. But there's a solution. Introducing Brave Browser. It's up to 8 times faster than the browser you're currently using. You also gain over an extra hour of battery life, and your data plan goes twice as far when you browse with Brave. Brave shows you all the time you save by showing in real time all the ads and trackers blocked, so you can consistently see how Brave is optimizing your browsing experience. So, you want to load content, sites, and games faster, pay less for data, and you want a longer battery life for your device? Download Brave today. It's completely free, there's no trial period, no catch, and you don't need any plugins. You can listen to me, or you can listen to USA Today, CNET, CoinDesk, The Verge, or Forbes. So join the 8 million users who speed through the internet worry-free. Download Brave now, and in less than 60 seconds, you can import all your current browser's settings, extensions, and bookmarks. Yesterday was about big tech. Today's about us.
So I hope that you have understood how important Brave browser is. To install Brave, just go to brave.com. Once that's done, you could select the download option of your choice, or you will directly get a download option based on the operating system you have. Brave is available for both Android, iOS and Windows 10. I have already downloaded it. Right click and open the download file. It will ask for administrative permissions. Say yes. Once that's done, it will download the Brave and install it automatically. Now our installation has been successfully completed. Brave supports all the extensions of Chrome, which means you could install Chrome extensions as well. As you can see, I am already getting an error. This is an error for IDM extension, which was available for Chrome. It says enable it. So now extension is also working. As you can see, Brave has been successfully installed. There is also support for cryptocurrency transfer. You could buy cryptocurrency, you could transfer cryptocurrency to other format, like you could transfer Ethereum, you could change your cryptocurrency wallet. Now I'll show you how Brave removes YouTube ads. So just go to youtube.com. So I'll open one of the video.
Hello everyone, in today's video I'll teach you how to install Chrome Enterprise Edition, and also
As you can see on the left, on the right and at the bottom, there are literally no ads. It has removed all the ads from everywhere in Chrome. You will also not get skip ads. That's the beauty of Brave.
Before we go away, I would like to thank PureVPN for sponsoring this video. PureVPN provides a better and a high quality VPN service with the help of which you could watch all of your favorite TV shows without any restrictions.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to share it with your friends, and please comment on what kind of topics you want the next video to be. I'll be happy to help you guys. And remember, there is always a better way to search, not with the help of Google Chrome, but with the help of Brave browser, to keep your life much more secure. So see you guys in the next one.